Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to offload apps on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and go to the General Settings. Now, tap on the iPhone storage option. Here, select the app that you want to offload. Tap on the Offload App option. Finally, tap on the Offload App option again to confirm. And this is how you can offload apps on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.